Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to request time off through NetSuite. You have to log into NetSuite and then go to your home page. Once you're there, you can scroll down to the time off. And you can view this in hours, or you can actually switch it to days. But you have to go to the little three dots right here and then press switch to days. And you can either switch to days or switch back to hours. But it really doesn't matter, it's just how you can view it. Now here's where you actually request it. You press this button, and then you go in. Once it loads, you select the days that you want off, and then you request the type of time off that you need for that time. I don't have that much time off left. I've pretty much used it all up, so this is just for the purpose of this video. But you just select the type of time off for the days that you want. Alright. And then you can write a message to your manager. You should always check with your manager before putting in this time off request. And then after all of that, then you press submit. And that's it. Thank you.